the marine engineers try to prevent that this element be corroded faster in a boat. But for me, it's ridiculous that they design with this material. They insert, because internally in this element, the raw water is circulating here, and here the raw water goes outside through here, and the gases in the middle. And here is mixed gases with raw water. Everybody follow me? Look. And here I have circulation of raw water and circulation of raw water. And they put in the path of the raw water one element, one piece of zinc. Look at this. If you remove that one, you introduce the pencil zinc. It's a piece of zinc, introduce it over there. Because they say, oh, the oxygen in the water eroded this and not touched this. Oh yeah, my friend, but this is an amount of free oxygen. You see the cavities? The cavities where the water circulates. Water here, water here, water here, and gases in the middle. You see, guys? Gases in the middle and water over there. And they put the pencil zinc here, look at the pencil zinc, touching the path of raw water. And they say, okay, the zinc prevent that this element be corroded. It's blah, blah, blah. This element will be corroded sooner or later, because this piece of zinc is not enough. And if the water is not circulating, it's not efficient. This is good when the water is circulating. Yeah? Never allow pieces of cast iron in your boat. Cast iron is not allowed. Only marine grade stainless steel. How can I verify if it's a good marine grade stainless steel? Magnet. Oh, this is good marine grade stainless steel? I don't think so. I don't think so. No. This is no good. Yes, you need to introduce pencils of zinc, no? I broke that. Pencils of zinc.